In this video, I'll show you how to add Supabase to a Cursor project. First, open Cursor and open the project you want to connect to Supabase. Next, go to the Supabase website and create a new project, or open an existing project. Now, open your Supabase project settings and find the project URL and API keys. After that, copy the required values and add them to your project's environment file, such as .env.local. Next, install the Supabase client library for your project's programming language or framework. Now, create a Supabase client in your project and load the URL and public key from your environment variables. After that, open Cursor's agent or chat and ask it to help you connect your existing application to Supabase. Give Cursor the relevant project files and explain which Supabase features you want to use, such as authentication, database tables, or storage. Next, test the connection by running your application and making a simple request to your Supabase database. If you get an error, copy the error into Cursor and ask it to help you troubleshoot the connection. Finally, make sure your secret keys stay in environment variables and are never committed to your public code repository. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add Supabase to a Cursor project. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.